it.
Chef d'état-major.
Et dans un très bref délai, vous aurez la suite du niveau stratégique qui
And
va préciser les orientations.
in the short term, the strategic level will provide a solution as required.
Une fois encore, au nom du chef d'état-major, je remercie les deux délégations pour le travail abattu.
And one more time, thank you for the work you have done as a joint operation planning group.
More general meetings like this have really brought us together as the joint forces.
Des réunions comme celle-ci, mon général, sont beaucoup plus importantes parce que ça nous met ensemble comme force conjointe.
Because while we are together, we discuss very freely and very frankly.
Et quand nous sommes ensemble comme ça, nous discutons librement et puis à cœur ouvert.
And as joint forces, we are moving in the right direction.
Et comme force conjointe, nous sommes en train de nous diriger dans une direction qui est correcte.
The whole thing is to ensure that there is peace in eastern DRC and there is peace in the western part of Uganda.
Et c'est par là que nous terminons.
Le commandant suprême des forces armées de la République démocratique du Congo avait effectué une visite à Kampala en Ouganda pour rencontrer son homologue. Et cette réunion devrait se tenir, réunir les experts des deux pays pour la mise en œuvre des directives qui étaient sorties de la rencontre de Kampala entre les deux chefs d'État.
We are here in Beni for the team of experts from the Uganda People's Defense Forces and the armed forces of the Congolese Army to discuss new challenges and emerging issues in the course of the operation. We've been operating together. We are almost making the third year. In November, we shall be making 3 years. So these periodic review meetings are very necessary to discuss new challenges or current issues that emerge. Now, when the tactical commanders are involved, because they're the ones that are on the ground, that are carrying, they're the one with the boots on the ground, then we get the real issues affecting the operation clearly. That's why we are here, and it was very successful. So the strategic national end set is to create a peaceful environment for trade and prosperity to take place between these two nations. And for now, as commanders on the ground, we are able to see what is happening now. If you move from Bulasi up to through Boga, Chabi, Erengeti, up to Erengeti, you see trade, people moving from Uganda to Congo, and people moving from Congo to Uganda, trade activities. When you go to Mpondo Kasindi, if you look at the border and you see the trade traffic physically, you see that there's movement of trucks full of goods and people are moving day and night, meaning that the intention of the two heads of state is being achieved, and we are very happy with that.
Maisha.
Hii
Mstari magnifique